A court order can require a home to be sold and still leave enough unanswered questions to stop the sale almost immediately. Who approves the showings? Who handles the repairs? What happens when one spouse refuses to remove personal property? When those details are missing, the real estate agent, the attorneys, and sometimes the court are left trying to solve problems after the listing has already begun. Here are 3 areas that should be addressed as clearly as possible. First, the order should address access to the property. Who can authorize photography, showings, inspections, appraisals, and contractor appointments? How much notice is required? And what happens if the spouse occupying the home repeatedly denies or delays access? A home cannot be effectively marketed if buyers and professionals cannot get inside. Second, define how repairs and sale preparation will be handled. Who decides which repairs are necessary? Who obtains estimates? How are expenses approved and paid? And what happens if the parties disagree? Without a clear process, even basic cleaning, landscaping, or safety repairs can become a major source of conflict. Third, address personal property before the home is photographed or listed. The order should establish what must be removed, what can remain temporarily, who is responsible for removing it, and the deadline for completion. This is especially important when one spouse has moved out but left belongings behind. Unresolved personal property can delay photography, limit showings, and create disputes over items buyers expect to remain in the home. Include a process for resolving disagreements quickly. That may involve communication through counsel, written deadlines, or another court-approved process. The goal is to prevent one unresolved issue from bringing the entire sale to a halt. An order that says sell the house may not be enough. The more clearly access, repairs, expenses, and personal property are addressed, the easier it is to protect the home's value and keep the transaction moving. I work with family law attorneys throughout the Phoenix and Scottsdale area to identify the practical real estate issues that should be considered before sale language is finalized. If you are drafting an order involving the marital home, call me before it's entered. A brief case consultation can help uncover the details that may otherwise lead to delays, lost equity, and another trip back to court.